So a very good evening, my dear friends. As all of you know that the Irdai 2024 vacancies are out, and you all must also be free of your liabilities for your RBI and NABARD, right, grade A examination. If your exam for your RBI or NABARD has not gone well, so you have another opportunity for the Irdai examination, right? And the perks, right, the salary, the work culture is also very good in Irdai. If you know, right, any of your right friends might be working over there, he or she will tell you that how the good the work culture is over there. One more thing is that you will not be transferred. Mostly you will spend your life in the Hyderabad. There can be other areas also, but mostly it's the Hyderabad. You will be living right decent life in the city of Hyderabad. And right, the work life and the work life balance is very good, and the salary is also very high, like the other regulatory bodies. So you can definitely vouch for, right, DI 2024. And this examination is going to be just golden opportunity, right? It is going to be golden opportunity for all those students who have a good writing skill, all those who have a good writing skill, because unlike the RBI and NABARD, it will be on a pen and paper method, right? So if you have very good writing skill, right, if you express your answers well, as if you might be UPSC aspirant, or you might be a college student who used to write very good answer in their colleges, you can definitely prepare for this examination, right? That will help you to fetch more marks. It will not like be online, so you will be accustomed to write the pen and paper method. That is going to be right, a major helping hand for most of the students, because many people do not find typing in the computer, right, that much comfortable. So this method of examination is going to be boon for many of the students. So if you talk about the vacancies, so there are total 49 vacancies. If you have any specialization of finance law, you can appear also for these vacancies. And the good thing is that you don't have to prepare. If you have left the finance, if you have left the law, if you have left the IT, you no need to prepare for this papers, as it may happen in the RBI economics, or it may happen in the different specializations of NABARD. You have to face, right, common paper. Every student, right, either from generalist or from the right specialization, have to face the common paper in the phase two. So the things will not be that lengthy, right? The materials would be available. You have to keep on revising again and again. So you can go for the specialized vacancies as well, along with the generalist post. So talking about the strategy of the examination, that is most important. Talking about the strategy of this examination, as you know that the phase one, right, phase one consists of your the quant, the English, the reasoning, the GA. Total four subjects would be there, each 40 marks. So total 160 marks would be there. If you see the level of questions that they have asked in 2023 of a day examination, the questions were very easy in the phase one, right? So in mathematics, what you have to do, you have to develop the speed, right? You have to develop the speed of calculation. For that, I would suggest every day 1 hour. If you can invest in speed mathematics like square roots, cube roots, that multiplication, if you can just work on that, right, your marks will be very high in this. So very simple calculation based question, right, they will give. And it will not be difficult like RBI. It will be of the very low level questions that they have given last year. Coming on to the reasoning, also very basic question, easy type of question. If you keep on practicing daily, half an hour, 1 hour, you can gain marks. If you think that your quant and reasoning are not that up to that level, then you can prepare for the GA. Last year also, what they asked, right, in GA also, it was restricted to 3 to 4 months. Very easy, very easy type of questions, right, they have asked in the GA. So again, it's of 40 marks, and you can score in the GA and the English if your quant and reasoning are weak. So just if you keep on practicing, right, keep on doing self practice for daily 1 hour, 2 hour, like that, you will definitely gain some marks over here to qualify for the phase two of the examination. Last year also the cutoff was similar, right? Cutoff was same for all these streams, but this year there will be changes, right? This year the cutoffs will be different. If you want to see the cutoff, just I will fastly scan right through the cutoff of the last year. You can see in the phase one, you can see just, yeah, this, see, 25% just was the cutoff. 25% was the cutoff for each category, right? For all this team, whatever they have called for the last year. So it was 87.25 out of your 160 marks. So that was way less. So if you keep on practicing, right, if you keep on practicing, definitely you can get a call for the phase two of the examination. So just speed mathematics, easy type of English question, regular practice, basic reasoning question, basic practice, and 3 to 4 months of GA, right? That would suffice for your phase one examination. So maintain accuracy, develop the speed mathematics, you will definitely get a call for phase two. Now, phase two is going to be, right, the deciding factor for this examination. Phase two, you will face three papers. In phase two, you will face three papers. Here there were four papers. Here you will face the three papers: the English, the ESI with reference to your insurance, and your the next paper would be your insurance and the management paper. So all the three papers will be of 100, 300 marks. So English will be same as it is as of RBI NABARD pattern. ESI, right? Similar, they have given the syllabus. So only there are very few topics. There are very few topics in that. So we will try to cover those right fastly as we can through crisp and concise notes in our crash program. And insurance and management, again, management is the same what you have studied for the RBI. Insurance again is a very less portion. It's not lengthy, so you can easily cover. If you want to cover, you can easily cover all these three papers in 20 to 25 days. That is more than enough. So what your strategy should be that to finish up this subjects whatever they have given for your phase two as soon as possible. You have to complete the theory as soon as possible, and you have to invest more and more time in writing the answers, developing the pattern of the answer, developing the formatting of the answers. So this is the key for selection, my dear students. Listen it carefully. Do not waste a lot of time in going through the classes, right? Lengthy classes, long classes, that would not yield the result. The thing is that listen to fast and swift classes. The crisp and concise notes should be revised again and again, and try to write answer question based on these classes where you can represent your answer. How you write your answer, how you represent your answer, how you present your answer in the copy, right, by pen and paper method, that is going to be important for this examination, right? So try to finish the theory as soon as possible, and then keep on practicing the formatting of the answer, the presentation of the answer. So we will help you in that. We are master of that, how to represent and present your answers. So diagrams, project, we will help you in that so that you can remember all the things, right, for your examination. Again, another important thing for this examination is interview has a just weightage of 15%. So unlike the examination of RBI, unlike the examination of NABARD, where we see a huge fluctuations in the marks, huge fluctuations in the interview marks. Somebody is getting high, somebody is getting low. So since weightage is less, only 15%, so such fluctuations will not impact your selection. And we have heard that there is no such major fluctuations as in RBI and NABARD in the case of Irdai. So this is also in your favor. If you have worked hard for phase two, definitely you will get selection in the right final result of your Irdai examination. So this is just a gist of the thing, gist of the strategy I have told you. There will be a lot of things in our mentorship and in our crash program for your Irdai. You can join it, right, if you want. So these are the highlights of our mentorship program. That sectional test for phase one, full length test for phase one. Then we will be providing you GA material for short and concise material for your phase one, that 40 marker section. Then you will have weekly strategy sessions for your phase one, where we'll discussing most important GA QRE things, what is relevant for your examination. Then you will be having live classes for all the ESI with reference to the insurance, whatever they have mentioned in the classes. As you know that our classes are live, to the mark, to the point, not unnecessarily lengthy and bulky. Then we will have live classes, notes for your insurance, right? We will have notes for this portion also. Then we will have your classes for your notes for your management, that will be crisp and concise, not bulky, I'm saying again and again. Then we will also conduct your pen and paper method of online sectional test, where you will be writing, uploading in the portal. We will evaluate that, right? Everything you will be getting, right, both sectional and full length, so that you have a proper practice of the thing, right? And we will also be giving you weekly assignments after the class, so that you develop the skill of writing after each class only. So there will be regular, right, feedback from the mentors, so that you are on the track, right? So these are the highlights. You can go through this PDF after this session. See, this is the schedule of all our tests that will help you to excel in the phase one of the examination. Then you will have phase two of the examination, where we have scheduled the classes accordingly, right? From now only, we will try to complete. After each class, you will have assignment so that you start writing, right, and developing the skill of writing from initial right point only, right, not after the phase one. We will try to do this, and there will a lot of things that will help you to excel in this examination. All the things like cutoff, the link is over here. As an inaugural offer, we are giving this course only at 1500 till 12th of right this month, till 12th of this month. After that, it will be charged at 2500. So if you want to take the benefit of this inaugural offer, you can enroll for this course, right, 1500 only. And if you want to join the course, you can just throw this PDF, you can click and you can join directly, or you can visit our website. If you have any doubts, you can call on this number. Definitely we will try to help you out. And all the cutoffs, everything has been mentioned in this PDF of phase one. See, again, this is the cutoff of your phase two. This is the cutoff of your final examination. So everything is available in this PDF. You can go through it. You can see the syllabus, how the short the syllabus is, right? You can easily master over this syllabus in very short, 20 to 25 days is more than enough to master on this syllabus they have given, right? And we will try to supplement your answers with the current thing so that you write a very good answer and you get a good marks in the phase two of the examination, along with formatting and the structuring of the answer. So it is going to be a holistic package for your NABARD mentorship program, Irdai mentorship program 2024, where we will be helping you maximum, right, to finally crack this examination. With this, I will end this session. Thank you. Bye-bye. Any queries, you can directly reach to us. We will try to help you maximum. Good night. Take care.